Okay, so the first note that falls in this G major arpeggio, which I'm tuning right now, on the treble bridge, or the middle bridge here, is going to be an A. Because remember, oh, I'm sorry, D major. We've got D, F sharp, A, D, A. The first note is going to be this A here that should sound like that one. So, just reading a teensy bit flat. Let's check the other side of the bridge. This is part of the process over here. Okay. So we're reading a tiny bit flat on one side and a tiny bit sharp on the other side. This is why tuning the center bridge is a little trickier. I'm going to pick these strings up off. We can do that just to make sure that everything's even. Try it again. Tiny bit flat. Okay. So, we already decided that just by looking at these pegs over here, that the direction I turn my tuning wrench is going to be the same for the right and the left side. So, I'm going to go a little bit I'm just going to tap it like just the tiniest amount to try and bring this A up. And that worked. Hopefully my E's not too sharp. And that seems to have worked. So, we'll move on to the next string. One of the mistakes that I make the most often when I'm tuning is to put my wrench on the wrong string. So, a lot of times I'll just follow that string over to the correct peg and put my wrench on. Holy moly, I don't know what just happened. How weird. So this is really out of tune. I brought it up. That E is reading pretty sharp considering I picked the strings up and everything else, so let's see what we can do here. Bring it down. So now I'm getting the E in tune. And now the A is a little flat. So what I'm going to do now is, rather than obsess, is just listen to it. The timbre of this note, just because it happens to be all the way here at the bottom of the treble bridge, is not going to sound as nice as the timbre of this A over here. If I have an option to play this particular A, if I can come over here, I usually do when I'm playing, just because these ones always sound a little bit nicer. Down at the bottom of your instrument, they sound a little wonky no matter what, but it is in tune. And the next note is going to be this D.